Welcome to beautiful and serene Lake Placid, Florida, home to retirees Buck and Christelle for the last 14 years.
We have had a very, very pleasant, enjoyable life, and it's a beautiful place to live here.
Married in 1962 with 7 grandchildren, this couple's home on the lake has been an oasis of love for decades.
57 years.
Goodness. Oh, I didn't realize it was that long.
In 2009, Christelle was hit with a heartbreaking medical challenge.
She was diagnosed by the neurologist here with short-term memory loss here about 10 years ago. When it first came to my attention, is we were in Arles, France, and we left our boat to go to the washateria, and while we were there, Christelle said, I'm going across the street to see what's in this store. I went up and down the street looking for her. I couldn't find her. And that is when I first realized that she had a memory problem, because she didn't remember to come back from the store to the washateria. Well, that is, seek me not only in the...
Unfortunately, Christelle's short-term memory loss has gotten progressively worse more recently.
She started having very bad dizzy spells. I could see I could not leave her alone. I had to be with her at all times because I did not want her to fall. I needed to maybe do some things. I used to love to mow the yard and stuff, but I couldn't even do that. So I needed some help, and that's when we called on Comfort Keepers.
Comfort Keeper caregivers travel to clients' homes to provide care services and living assistance with the aim of elevating the human spirit.
Elevating the human spirit is more than just a tagline for Comfort Keepers. It's a philosophy rooted in research. And we found that people and our clients who are socially engaged with us through conversations in the everyday moments, they feel better, they're happier, and their health is better overall.
It just made common sense to me that for somebody to be with Christelle that could give her be uplifting to her, make her happy.
Research that Comfort Keepers has done, I mean, they've found out what our caregivers know is that our clients, no matter how their age or how acute their level is, they want the same things we all want: love, hope, connectedness, purpose. Our research has shown that social isolation has the same effect as smoking up to 15 cigarettes per day.
Oh, hey, good morning.
Welcome to another day in paradise.
Oh, thank you. I'm so excited.
The role of a Comfort Keeper is to find joy with their client, work through the daily activities with them, not doing for the client, but doing with the client.
Okay, where are we going? Oh, boy, that would be good.
We can play Chinese checkers.
Okay.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. My passion is definitely for helping people. That's basically my mission in life, is to help others. I try to determine what it is that they are seeking, and I try to give it to them.
Comfort Keeper Irene has been with the family 4 months, helping Christelle on a daily basis handle everyday tasks. But more importantly, providing her that connection and engagement, which is so important to seniors' quality of life.
Boy, I'll tell you what, some people just don't know how good it can get.
And Irene has been a blessing to us. She is just so good for Christelle. It makes her feel good. I sense that she is stronger in some ways mentally than she was, really.
She's a wonderful person, and I just couldn't say anything better.
Playing memory games, showcasing elements in the home that evoke love and meaning, can bring joy like Buck's beloved sun prisms or cherished art made by Christelle, as well as sifting through old photos, which also helps Christelle with her memory.
You tell me who this is or what she's holding?
This is Aunt Mildred.
Oh, that's Aunt Mildred.
Aunt Mildred was a...
I think she gets to feel good about things that she does remember, and I truly want to focus on that as opposed to causing her to realize that simple day-to-day things she may not, in fact, remember. You can look at the cards and see if your particular card matches one of the cards that you pick from the pile.
Oh, okay.
One thing is for sure, having Comfort Keepers has given both Buck and Christelle the peace of mind they needed through a difficult time, while also allowing them to stay in their home, which is an incredibly important element of elevating the human spirit.
I think if you're in your own home and you have the right caretakers, it's a wonderful blessing, and I can appreciate that very much. We're going to stay here till they blow the trumpet.
For more information on Comfort Keepers, or to find one in your area, visit comfortkeepers.com or go to designingspaces.tv.